In this lesson, we will explore data analytics and artificial intelligence in inventory optimization, two transformative technologies that enable businesses to make smarter, faster, and more accurate decisions about their inventory. By leveraging data-driven insights, organizations can predict demand, reduce waste, and achieve optimal stock levels across their supply chains. Let's begin with data analytics. At its core, data analytics involves collecting, processing, and interpreting large volumes of data to uncover patterns and trends. In inventory management, this means analyzing sales data, lead times, supplier performance, and market conditions to improve decision-making. Instead of relying on intuition or historical averages, data analytics provides precise, evidence-based insights into inventory performance. Descriptive analytics focuses on understanding what has happened in the past, such as identifying top-selling products, tracking turnover rates, or highlighting excess stock. Diagnostic analytics digs deeper into why these patterns occurred, uncovering the root causes behind stockouts or overstocking. Predictive analytics takes this a step further by using statistical models and machine learning to forecast future demand, helping businesses plan inventory more accurately. Finally, prescriptive analytics recommends the best course of action, such as optimal reorder quantities, safety stock levels, or supplier choices. Artificial intelligence, or AI, builds on these analytical foundations by adding automation and real-time adaptability. AI algorithms continuously learn from data, refining predictions and decisions as conditions change. In inventory optimization, AI systems can automatically adjust reorder points, predict supplier delays, and detect anomalies in demand patterns. For example, if sales of a product suddenly spike due to a viral trend, an AI-driven system can respond immediately by triggering replenishment orders without human intervention. Machine learning, a subset of AI, plays a major role in demand forecasting. It analyzes historical data along with external factors such as seasonality, economic indicators, and even social media trends to produce highly accurate forecasts. Unlike traditional models, which rely on static assumptions, machine learning adapts dynamically to new information, making it ideal for fast-changing markets. AI also enhances warehouse operations. Intelligent systems can determine optimal storage layouts, predict picking routes, and allocate labor based on demand fluctuations. Combined with automation technologies such as robotics and IoT, AI transforms warehouses into smart, self-optimizing environments where every movement is guided by data. Another key advantage of AI and analytics is inventory segmentation. Not all products require the same level of control or service. Advanced models can classify inventory based on profitability, volatility, and demand patterns. This allows businesses to apply different strategies to each segment. For example, maintaining high service levels for premium products while minimizing stock for slow-moving items. Data analytics and AI also improve supply chain resilience. By analyzing supplier data, lead times, and risk indicators, AI systems can identify potential disruptions before they occur and suggest alternative sourcing strategies. This proactive approach helps organizations avoid costly delays and maintain business continuity. However, adopting AI and analytics in inventory optimization requires clean, reliable data and a well-integrated technology infrastructure. Data silos, inconsistent records, or manual processes can limit effectiveness. Organizations should invest in cloud-based platforms, data governance, and employee training to fully leverage the power of these tools. In summary, data analytics and artificial intelligence are revolutionizing inventory management. They empower businesses to move from reactive to predictive and proactive strategies, optimizing stock levels, improving efficiency, and enhancing customer satisfaction. By embracing these technologies, organizations not only gain a competitive advantage but also build smarter, more adaptive supply chains ready for the future.